welcome all of you to my channel. Today we will be discussing straight lines and pair of straight lines, shortcut methods for doing the problems. Now we consider the xy plane. X-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. on the right side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -y, etc. on the left hand side. Now on the x-axis, if you take a point xy, that y is always 0. So we say y equal to 0 is the relation between x and y of a general point xy on the x-axis. Now relation between x and y of a general point on a locus is the equation of the locus. This is a result. So if you want the equation of a straight line, take a general point. If you want the equation of a circle, take a general point and get the relation between x and y, relation between x and y. Now if you take a point xy on the x-axis, that y is always 0 everywhere, y is 0. So equation of this is y is 0. Now if you have a line like this, the value of x everywhere is 2. So if you take a point on that 2 is permanent. X is 2. 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 and so on. So x equals 2 is the equation of this line. Now if you take the y-axis, there is no x equal to 0. If you take a line like this, suppose this is minus of 3. Everywhere y is minus 3. So this is the basic principle. On the x-axis y is 0. On the y-axis x is 0. But if you take anywhere here, there will be both x and y. There will be x, there will be y. And you get a relation between x and y. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants, is the general equation of a straight line. Now if equal to 0 is not there, it does not come as an equation, it is only an expression. This part is expression, but left hand side equal to right hand side is the condition for an equation. So we see equal to 0 is the general equation of a straight line. We will prove this result using if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are points on this. Any point dividing this join in the ratio m is to n also will be on this. So understand the method. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points on this, any point dividing the join of those 2 points in the ratio m is to n, whatsoever m and n will also be on that, means it is a straight line. The proof. We will show that ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a straight line. Now suppose x1 y1 is a point on this. That means x value can be x1, y value can be y1. So ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0, equation number 1. x2 y2 is a point on this. So ax2 plus by2 plus c equal to 0, equation number 2. Now you consider the expression ax plus by plus c. Now suppose you divide the join of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m is to n. This division point is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. And if this division point lies on this join for all values, this division point lies on this for all values, then this is a straight line. Now we see x1, y1 lies on this, we assume. x2, y2 lies on this, we assume. And we consider equation number 2 multiplied by m, because we require mx2. So mx2. And equation number 1 multiplied by x1, n, because nx1. So we multiply equation 2 by m, equation 1 by n, and add. You are getting, you collect terms like terms. A is common, then mx2 plus nx1. B is common, my2 plus ny1 plus c into m plus n, mc plus nc. Now we observe, we can simplify this. We can collect m terms first. M into ax2 plus by2 plus c, n into ax1 plus by1 plus c, and ax2 plus by2 plus c is a 0. ax1 plus by1 plus c is another 0. So the whole thing is m into 0 plus n into 0 is a 0. This means ax plus by plus c equal to 0 holds, contains mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n for all values. That means the locus is a straight line. Now we see, if 2 points are there, a division point should be here, 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 not here. So that condition is satisfied. You remember, we have discussed already y-intercept, x-intercept and slope. Now in the figure, x-axis, y-axis, a line cuts the x and y-axis at A and C. Now if this is small a, the point A is A0. If this is small b, the point C is 0b. Now slope of a line makes theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. Tan theta is the value of m. M slope is tan theta. Now we consider the first form of the equation of a straight line, which is called the slope-intercept form of a straight line. As the name indicates, the slope will be given, the intercept is given. We know that there are two intercepts. In this case, the y-intercept will be given. So slope equals m, y-intercept equals c. What is the equation of that line? The equation of the line is coming on this. We know that we take a point, general point, p, x, y on that, and obtain a relation between x and y. Now because slope is given, this point is 0c because it is on the y-axis. So we have 2 points. Immediately that slope formula comes to you. Slope is y difference by x difference. In this question, m is y minus c divided by x minus 0. And that simplifies to mx is y minus c or y is mx plus c, and the answer comes. So y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept, is the equation in the slope-intercept form. We consider an example. Equation of a straight line with the slope minus 3 and y-intercept minus 2. We know the formula y equals mx plus c, where m value is minus 3, c value is minus 2. You put m equals minus 3 here, c equals minus 2, the answer comes. Y is minus 3x minus 2. Bring all to the left side, 3x plus y plus 2 equals 0. Always we write the standard form, first x, then y, then constant. Now we consider second form, slope point form. Here we will be given the slope m and a point on it, a straight line with the slope m passing through x1, y1. You know, it passes through a x1, y1. we take a general point Pxy, always we require the relation between x and y. Now, because the slope is given, we work out the formula. Slope is y difference by x difference. So here slope is m. Y difference is y minus y1 by x minus x1. If you cross multiply, the answer shoots. Y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. This is the form of that slope point equation. We consider equation of a straight line with the slope minus 2 passing through minus 4 minus 1. So slope m is minus 2, point x1 y1 is minus 4 minus 1. The equation is of this form. Y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. You put the values. Y minus y1 is minus 1 equals m is minus 2, x minus minus 4. So y plus 1 is minus 2x minus 8. Simplify on the left side, 2x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now what is the y-intercept? For getting y-intercept, we had to put x equals 0 only. So when you put x equals 0, y will come to you. Y is minus of 9. And if you want x-intercept, put y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, 2x plus 9 is a 0, or 2x is minus 9, or x is minus 9 over 2. So they are the intercepts. Case 3, 2-point form. It is not 2 points form, it is 2-point form. We say only 5-year plan, we don't say 5 years plan. Now equation of a straight line passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2, we are given 2 points. Now we know equation is the relation between x and y of a general point Pxy. So we take Pxy on the line. Now slope is simply y difference by x difference. We apply that result. Slope of AP is slope of AB. Now slope of AP, y difference y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of AB, y difference y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Now you can take y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 equals, is a rule of cross multiplication. So we see the answer comes y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 equals x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. Or if you multiply by a minus sign, minus 1, this becomes y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So that 1 comes as alike, or 2 comes alike. Or if the point is x2, y2, equation can be y minus y2 by y1 minus y2 is x minus x2 by x1 minus x2. We see equation is of the same shape. Okay, we consider sum of the intercepts of a straight line passing through 3 minus 1 and minus 7, 2. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. The form of the equation x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. You substitute the values. X minus 3 by x1 is 3 minus minus 7 equals y minus minus 1 by minus 1 minus 2. Simplifies. X minus 3 by 10 is y plus 1 by minus 3. Cross multiply. Minus 3x plus 9 is 10y plus 10, or 3x plus 10y plus 1 equals 0. Now this is the equation required. Now the problem is not equation, the sum of the intercepts. For y equal to 0, when you put y equals 0, you get x-intercept. When you put y equals 0, x value is minus 1 by 3. When you put x equals 0, y value is minus of 1 by 10. And the sum is minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 10. Minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13 divided by 30. Now we consider intercept form of the equation of a straight line. We are given the x-intercept A, the y-intercept B. Immediately you are getting a point. A is A0, B is 0B. So we have 2 points. Now once you have 2 points, we have the slope. Y difference by x difference. Y difference is B minus 0 by 0 minus a, which is minus of b by a, that is our m. And we take the point a0 as x1, y1. Equation is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1, which is y minus 0 is minus b by a into x minus a, or you can multiply by a. Ay is minus bx plus ab, or ay plus bx is ab. You divide by ab, you divide by ab, you divide by ab, you get x by a plus y by b equals 1. Or we may use 2-point form. The points are a0 and 0b, x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 equals x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. You put these values. Y minus 0 by 0 minus b is x minus a by a minus 0, or it is minus y by b equals x by a minus a by a is 1. Take this to the other side and get the result x by a plus y by b equals 1. So for intercept form, 2-point form is better to apply because the result is in shape. Immediately you get x by a plus y by b equals 1. Try to remember the shape x divided by x-intercept plus y divided by y-intercept equals 1. Put these values, the answer comes. We now go for the fifth form of the equation of a straight line, which is called a normal form. Now in the figure, ON is the normal from the origin to the line, ON. If the length of ON is P, ON equals P, and the angle XON equals theta, we have this angle OQN is also theta, because this plus this is 90 degree, this plus this is also 90 degree. So this fellow and this fellow will do the same thing with this, making 90 degree. So they should be equal. Now we go to the triangle OPN. Cos theta, in trigonometry you will study, it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Theta is this, P divided by A. Or we are looking for A, the x-intercept. A will be P divided by cos theta. Now from this triangle ONQ, you can see the triangle OQN or ONQ. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse is P divided by B. That gives you P equals P by sin theta. This fellow comes here, this fellow goes there. So we got A and B, the intercepts. Now once the intercepts are obtained, the formula is x by A plus y by B equals 1. It is x by P by cos theta plus y by P by sin theta equals 1. This cos theta comes up, sin theta comes up, and P goes to the right side. The answer is x cos theta plus y sin theta equals P. Now we consider an example. Convert 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 to intercept form and to slope intercept form. Now we take 3x plus 4y equals 5. Or you divide by 5 to make the right side 1. 3x by 5 plus 4y by 5 equals 1. But we don't want 3 here, you bring it down. So x divided by 5 by 3 plus y, this 4 comes down, 5 by 4 equals 1. So x by a plus y by b equals 1, which is the intercept form. This is the x-intercept, this is the y-intercept. Now, in the slope intercept form, the shape is y equals mx plus c. We want this shape to come. So 4y, we take y term on one side, 4y, this will go to the other side, minus 3x plus 5. Or we require y, you divide by 4. So y is minus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4. So this is our m, minus 3 by 4 is our m, and 5 by 4 is our c, which is slope intercept form. All of you, I am happy to explain a few concepts of straight lines to you. Now work out those problems from your textbooks. From problems, everywhere you get problems, you solve them. The best method is to do and study. Study by doing the questions. Analyze the questions carefully. Put brain, as I said, brain, heart, lungs, liver, everything into it. Good luck.